You trust your mechanic, right? What if I told you that trust might be costing you thousands of dollars a year and you'd never know it? From fake repairs to parts you never needed, car owners are being taken for a ride. And the worst part? These scams are so well hidden. Even smart drivers fall for them. Today, we're revealing the 10 dirtiest, most manipulative scams mechanics use and how you can avoid them. One of them is so common, dealerships are legally allowed to do it, but you don't have to fall for it. Stick around to the end, because number 10 might just change how you handle every visit to the shop. 1. The dirty air filter. You go in for an oil change. The mechanic comes back, holding a dusty air filter. "Look at this," he says. "This thing's filthy. You should replace it today." Here's the truth. They keep dirty filters in a drawer to show you. Unless they show you your filter straight from your car, you might be getting scammed. Even worse, they may show you your filter, but exaggerate its condition. Most filters are designed to look a bit dirty. That's their job. And they don't need replacing every oil change. Experts suggest checking it every 15,000 miles, and only replacing if it's really clogged. Ask for proof. Better yet, learn to inspect it yourself. 2. The flush it all. Some mechanics love offering a full flush. Transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, all at once. Sounds like a good idea, right? Except in most cases, it's completely unnecessary. Modern vehicles often use lifetime fluids or have intervals of 60,000 plus miles. But shady shops recommend flushing fluids as early as 20,000 miles, just to pad the bill. Psychologically, it sounds preventive. It makes you feel responsible, but it's profit padding. Unless your owner's manual recommends it or there's evidence of contamination, decline. 3. The check engine light. The moment your check engine light comes on, some mechanics turn into fearmongers. "You shouldn't drive this another mile, could be catastrophic." In reality, most CELs are minor. A loose gas cap, a failing sensor. Nothing that'll strand you today. Always ask for the code. A decent shop will scan it for free. If they want to charge $100 just to tell you what's wrong, walk away. Get a second opinion or invest in a $25 OBD2 scanner and check it yourself. 4. The upsell at oil change. You came in for a $39 oil change. Now you're looking at a $480 estimate. Wiper blades, cabin air filter, coolant service, battery terminal cleaning, fuel injection cleaning. They make it sound urgent. You don't want to break down, do you? It's scripted upselling. They're trained to find small issues and pitch them hard. Don't feel pressured. Say no, take the estimate, and research it later. 9 times out of 10, you'll find most of it can wait. 5. The OEM versus aftermarket. Here's one most people never realize. You're quoted a high price for a repair. You ask why. They say, "We only use OEM parts." But when you get your car back, it has aftermarket parts anyway. Some mechanics charge you OEM rates and use cheaper parts to increase profits. Ask for part numbers on your receipt. Cross-check them online. If it's not OEM and you paid OEM pricing, you've been overcharged. 6. The unnecessary brake job. Brakes are a common target because you can't see them yourself. Mechanic says your pads are dangerously thin. Must replace now. But brake pads can last anywhere from 30,000 to 70,000 miles, depending on usage. And if you're still above 3 millimeters, you likely have months left. Ask them to show you the measurement. Better yet, request a photo with calipers. Don't rely on vague fear tactics. 7. The alignment for no reason routine. Wheel alignments are crucial when needed, but some shops push them as routine maintenance. You should do it every 6 months, they say. Truth. You only need an alignment if you hit a pothole or curb. Your car pulls to one side. Your tires are wearing unevenly. No symptoms. You probably don't need it. Shops love to push alignments because they're high margin and easy to perform. 8. The battery replacement bluff. Mechanics often test your battery and say it's testing low. Better replace it. But they rarely factor in the vehicle's temperature, how long it's been sitting, or whether your driving habits recharge it properly. Before replacing, ask for a printout of the load test. A reading above 12.4 volts at rest usually means you're fine. Also, check the date on your battery. Most last 3 to 5 years. Don't replace at 2 years just because the shop wants a sale. 9. The phantom labor hours. This one's dirty. You need your water pump and timing belt replaced. The mechanic charges you separate labor for each. But here's the secret. They're in the same location. The labor overlaps. Shops often double charge for overlapping repairs. You're paying twice for work they only did once. Ask for a labor breakdown. Cross-reference on forums or repair guides like Chilton or AllData. Bundled work should come with bundled pricing. 10. The Your Car's Unsafe. This is the nuclear scam. The one that makes you say yes to anything. You can't leave with the car like this. It's unsafe. Could be deadly. It's a scare tactic, often used on new drivers, elderly people, or anyone unfamiliar with car mechanics. Sometimes there's a safety issue, but sometimes it's pure manipulation. Ask for a written diagnosis. Take it elsewhere for verification. If it's that dangerous, a second shop will say the same, without trying to scare you. These aren't rare. They're routine. And every year, millions of drivers lose money they didn't have to spend. So let's flip the script. Which of these scams have you faced? Have you ever caught a mechanic red-handed? Or did one of these catch you off guard before? Drop your story in the comments. Your experience might save someone else hundreds, or even thousands. And if this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more insider car content coming your way. The kind dealers, shops, and service writers don't want you to see. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and stay in control of your car and your wallet.